Peanut sitting on a railroad track, his heart was all a flutter. The train came roaring round the curve. Peanut butter. A bald-headed man in a restaurant said, "Waitress, my cocoa too." The waitress yelled, "If your cocoa too, put on your hat, you fool. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, it ain't gonna rain no more. But how in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more?" When Mr. Noah built the ark, he said it was his duty. He saved the birds and beasts and bugs, but why did he save the sooty? The chicken am a wonderful bird, the colored preacher said. We eat them both before day's born and after day is dead. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, it ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more? He kissed his new gal on the cheek. It seemed a harmless frolic, but he'd been laid up for a week. He had the painter's colic. A man stood by the river. He was tall and lean and slim. He wasn't trying to catch no fish, just teaching the worms to swim. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, it ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more? This city and a chorus girl are much alike, 'tis true. This city's built without skirts and a chorus girl is too. Old Mary had a little Ford. She liked it very well. She drove it into a telephone pole and now it looks like rain. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, it ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more?